we can think about the messages we'll send to these segments. First, let's look at push notifications. We can create a push preset from scratch. Imagine we want to promote a summer sale. We can enter the message we've prepared. Looks good. But it can be even more effective with a touch of personalization. Mentioning the recipient's name is always a good idea, but it can be any data stored in tags: city, favorite item, topic, etc. If you need help with your message copy, there is an AI composer. Just click and try it. Media content can make our push extra compelling. We can add a link to a banner and change the icon displayed in the notification. Here is the image we'd like to use in our push. We'll paste the image link here, and this is what the final version looks like. But wait, there's more. You can provide localized versions of your push copy. Just switch from one default language to the languages your international audience speaks. In our case, we'll deliver the message in Spanish to users who have this language set on their devices. It's on you to translate the message, but it's on Pushwoosh to deliver it to the right audience. Finally, we can customize on-click actions defining what happens when a user clicks on the push. For instance, when an order is placed, a transactional push can direct a customer to the order tracking page. That's all you need for regular push notifications. But you can also send iOS live activities with real-time updates on sports, orders, rides, and weather.